my name is Charity, and welcome back for another lesson about basic Cebuano words. And this time, we will be using those words and phrases that you have learned from the last video into formal. The simplest way in making those words and phrases into formal is by addressing those words and phrases to someone whom you are talking to, especially if it is someone who is older than you. For example, when talking to a family member, we Filipinos, we have many ways or many names we use in calling our parents. The classy ones use mom and dad, but the common ones we use are ma and pa, nay and tay. Ma is the short word for mama or mother. Pa is the short word for papa or father. The same goes with nay and tay. Nay is the short word for nanay, which is also mother, and tay is the short word for tatay, which is also the word we use to call our father. So, if you want to greet your parents good morning, you will say, "Maayong buntag ma," or "Maayong buntag pa." The same goes with nay and tay. If you want to greet them good evening or good afternoon, you will say, "Maayong gabi inay," "Maayong hapon tay." Ati is used when calling a female who is older than you, or in other words, ate is used to call an older sister. While kuya is the term we use to call a male or a man who is older than you. In other words, kuya is for older brother. One more time, ate, older sister. Kuya is for older brother. So you can greet them by "Mayong hapon ate," "Mayong udto kuya." Another, we have grandmother and grandfather. Lola is the term we use to call our grandmother, Lola. And the short word for Lola is la. Lolo, on the other hand, you already know it, it's for grandfather. And the short word for lolo is lo. So the same, let's greet them. "Maayong adlaw la," or "Maayong adlaw lola." "Maayong hapon lo." "Maayong hapon lolo." Then we have tia and tio. Tia means aunt, tio is uncle. So you can say, "Adto na ko tio," or "Amping tia." Tio, tia. When encountering strangers who is older than you can use these honorifics in addressing them. We have ma'am, sir, and madam, then followed by their names. For example, "Maayong adlaw Ma'am Charity," "Maayong gabi Sir Joel," just like that. But if you do not know their names, then just use any of these. For example, "Maayong gabi Sir," "Maayong adlaw Madam," "Maayong buntag Ma'am," just like that. There are some formal names you can also use. We have kuya, kol, and noy. We use these to address someone we do not know when we want to greet them or ask directions. But take note, these three are only for men. For example, "Maayong gabi kuya." I know kuya means older brother, but we use this in addressing someone we don't know, not even blood related. We use this to someone we want to ask direction or we want to greet them, someone who is older than us. We use kuya sometimes. And it makes them happy being called kuya because it makes them feel young. For females, we use miss, ante, or ate. Adto na ko ate. Amping ante. May adlaw miss. So there you have it. Always remember that the simplest way in using those words or phrases into formal or when you are talking to someone who is older than you is by addressing those words and phrases to the person whom you are talking to. That's all for today's video, and please don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and that bell thingy beside it so that you'll be notified on my next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Adto na ko!